Fact Stimulus presenting to you fun facts and information about carpenter ants. Carpenter ants are large ants that are often black or reddish in color. They get their name from their habit of tunneling through wood to create nests. They are found throughout the United States and Canada. Carpenter ants are social insects and live in colonies that can contain thousands of individuals. The colonies are usually composed of a queen, male ants, and worker ants. The queen is responsible for reproducing and laying eggs, while the male ants do not participate in nest building or foraging. The worker ants are responsible for collecting food, caring for the young, and expanding the nest. Carpenter ants feed on a variety of foods, including insects, honeydew from aphids, and plant secretions. They are attracted to sweet foods and may forage for sugar or other sweet substances in homes. Carpenter ants can nest in a variety of locations, including trees, logs, stumps, and buildings. They prefer to nest in wood that is moist or has been damaged by decay or pests. Carpenter ants do not eat wood like termites, but they remove wood as they create tunnels and galleries in which to live. The presence of carpenter ants can be an indication of wood damage or decay in a structure. Carpenter ants can be a serious pest in homes, as they can cause structural damage if left unchecked. They can be difficult to control, as they have multiple nesting sites and can be difficult to locate. To prevent carpenter ant infestations, it is important to repair any moisture damage, seal entry points, and eliminate sources of food and water. Carpenter ants can be controlled with a combination of chemical and non-chemical methods, such as baits, pesticides, and physical removal of nests. There are many different species of carpenter ants, including the black carpenter ant, Camponotus pennsylvanicus, the red carpenter ant, Camponotus chromaeodes, and the western carpenter ant, Camponotus modoc. Carpenter ants are found in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and urban areas. They can be active year-round, although they may be less active in colder temperatures. Carpenter ants are important members of many ecosystems, as they help to decompose wood and return nutrients to the soil. They are also important predators of other insects, including aphids and other plant pests. Some species of carpenter ants have symbiotic relationships with other insects, such as tending and protecting aphids in exchange for their honeydew. Carpenter ants are sometimes kept as pets, although they require a specialized habitat and diet. They are popular in educational settings as a way to study social insect behavior and ecology. Carpenter ants are related to other ants, such as fire ants and leafcutter ants. They are intelligent insects and are capable of learning and adapting to their environment. Carpenter ants have a complex social structure and communicate with each other using a variety of methods, including chemical signals and vibrations. They are a popular subject in scientific research, and scientists are still learning about their behavior and biology. Some species of carpenter ants have wings and are capable of flying, while others do not. Carpenter ants can be a serious agricultural pest, as they can damage fruit trees and other crops. They are also known to damage wood structures in outdoor settings, such as sheds, decks, and fences. Carpenter ants can be difficult to control once they have established a nest in a building, as they can create multiple satellite nests and move their young between them. It is important to eliminate the entire colony to effectively control carpenter ants. Carpenter ants are most active at night and are attracted to light, so they may be more visible during the evening hours. They are typically found in dark, warm, and humid areas of a structure, such as attics, crawl spaces, and behind walls. Carpenter ants may also be found in outdoor areas, such as under mulch, rocks, or logs. The presence of carpenter ants can be indicated by small piles of wood shavings or debris, called frass, which they produce as they tunnel through wood. Carpenter ants can be controlled using a variety of pesticides, including insecticides, dusts, and baits. It is important to follow label instructions and safety precautions when using pesticides to control carpenter ants. Non-chemical control methods for carpenter ants include removing and replacing infested wood, reducing moisture sources, and sealing entry points. Carpenter ants are resistant to some pesticides, and it may be necessary to use multiple control methods to effectively eliminate a colony. Baiting is a common method for controlling carpenter ants, as it allows the ants to carry the poison back to the nest and kill the entire colony. It is important to properly identify the species of carpenter ant present, as different species may require different control methods. Carpenter ants can be distinguished from termites by their size and shape, as well as their preference for nesting in wood rather than consuming it. Carpenter ants have a three-segmented body, with a large head, a small waist, and a thorax with a pair of wings. The wings of male carpenter ants are longer than those of females, and they are used for mating rather than for flight. Carpenter ants have powerful mandibles, which they use for tunneling through wood and foraging for food. Some species of carpenter ants have a painful sting, although they are less aggressive than some other types of ants. Carpenter ants are important indicators of ecosystem health, as their presence can indicate the presence of other pests or sources of decay. They are also important prey for a variety of animals, including birds, mammals, and other insects. Carpenter ants are sensitive to changes in their environment and can be used as indicators of habitat quality and disturbance. Some species of carpenter ants are considered threatened or endangered, due to habitat destruction and other human activities. Carpenter ants are important model organisms in scientific research, and have been used to study a variety of topics including social behavior, genetics, and evolution. They have complex social systems and are known for their division of labor, communication, and ability to adapt to changing environments. Carpenter ants are known for their ability to learn and remember food sources and routes, and they have been used in studies on animal cognition and learning. Carpenter ants are known to have strong homing behavior, and they can locate their nest even after being displaced long distances. They are able to navigate using landmarks and other cues, and they communicate the location of food sources to other members of their colony through chemical trails and other signals. Carpenter ants are known for their ability to find and exploit new food sources, and they are able to adapt their foraging behavior to changing environments. They are capable of learning from experience and modifying their behavior accordingly. Carpenter ants are important decomposers in many ecosystems, and they help to recycle nutrients back into the soil. They are known to feed on a variety of insects, including other ants, and they play a role in controlling pest populations. Carpenter ants are considered to be medium to high in pest status, depending on the species and location. They can cause significant damage to wood structures in homes and other buildings, and they can be difficult to control once they have established a nest. Preventing carpenter ant infestations is the most effective way to control them, and this can be achieved through regular inspections, moisture control, and sealing entry points. It is important to identify and eliminate the source of the infestation, as well as any satellite nests that may be present. Some common methods for controlling carpenter ants include baiting, spraying pesticides, and physically removing nests. It is important to follow label instructions and safety precautions when using pesticides to control carpenter ants, and to use caution when handling these chemicals. Some natural or organic methods for controlling carpenter ants include using essential oils or nematodes. It is important to regularly inspect for carpenter ants and other pests, and to take steps to prevent infestations from occurring. If a carpenter ant infestation is suspected, it is important to seek the assistance of a professional pest control company. Proper identification of the species of carpenter ant and the location of the nest is critical for effective control. Thank you for watching our channel. We hope you enjoyed the content. If you have any feedback or suggestions for future videos, please don't hesitate to let us know. Your support means a lot to us, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Every like and subscribe helps us to continue creating content for you. Thank you for your support, and we look forward to hearing from you.